Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 3. We are learning Unit 6. Its title is Teamwork. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it. You may follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today we are going to learn reading a recipe. Before this, in English for grade 2, you have learned to read food labels. I hope you remember. So, beta, you have observed that on packing, there are written many things. So, when we take something for food, we read it. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch it again. And we are going to learn further to read familiar words appearing on a variety of reading material such as advertisement, recipe, captions, etc. So beta, what I suggest, this SLO suggests us, whenever you get something for reading, you must read it. Try to read it. If you find any difficult word, ask from your elders, from your teacher. This is how we get different type of variety of words, right? So today our focus is how to read recipe. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Nahl, verse 114. So eat of the lawful and good food which Allah has provided for you, and be grateful for the favor of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Yes, my dear children, what this beautiful verse is telling us. Beta, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying us eat. Alhamdulillah. So whatever Allah has created for us and whatever Allah has allowed us to eat, we should eat it. Alhamdulillah. And for everything, we should say, we should be grateful and we should say, Alhamdulillah. Right? So this is a beautiful message of this verse. Now, you tell me, do you have your mom in kitchen? And what do you know to cook or prepare for yourself? Interesting. So pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope all of you help your mom. Very good. Beta, it's good. You should help your mother in kitchen. And it's my request to parents as well. Let the children work in kitchen with you, but don't let them unsupervised so that they should not hurt themselves. But whenever they want to join you in kitchen, don't stop them, please. Right? And beta, I hope you can prepare or cook something for yourself, maybe a sandwich, omelette, or milkshake as well. Okay, so we are going to, so whatever we prepare or cook, there is a procedure that is called recipe. Okay, so we are going to learn to read a recipe. All of you open your book on page number 46. It's here. Read the given recipe. So first of all, we start with ingredients. What are ingredients? Whatever we need to make someone, whatever spices or whatever we want to add in that, that's called ingredient. So what are the ingredients for today? It's banana, milk, sugar, half glass of water and ice. And here the procedure. So recipe is better the process which we are supposed to follow to make it. And what we are going to make? It's milkshake. How to make a milkshake? What is the recipe? Crush ice cubes in blender. Add a half glass of water. Add banana, sugar and milk into blender. Blend it. Okay, and then pour into glasses. Your banana milkshake is ready, right? So this is how, whatever process we tell, that is called a recipe. Are you clear? Okay, so let's practice it through an activity. What we are going to do, your teacher will divide class in groups and will provide recipes to each group. So teacher, it's up to you. You can bring the real food packaging for recipes, or you can give them in writing or printed form as you're comfortable. So every student in the group will read the recipe aloud in the class. Okay, so each group will be given one recipe and every student will read it. So in this way, beta, you will learn many things how to cook them. So pause the video, enjoy the activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. You enjoyed reading recipes? That's good. So I'm giving you a project for homework. You will read more recipes in magazines, okay, or on food boxes, whatever is available. You will cut out different recipes from food boxes and paste it on a chart. This is your homework, and by this weekend you will do it. By coming Monday, you will bring it in your school. So let's see who does it nicely. And here is a worksheet. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. So what we have learned today, we learned to read familiar words appearing on recipe. So we achieved our SLO to read familiar words appearing on a variety of reading material such as advertisement, recipes, captions, etc. So are we done with it? Yes, that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing, and take very good care of yours. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.